So I recently attended an event called PAX Australia. It's a massive convention in Australia about computers, gaming, tabletop and video games, tech, IT, a bunch of really cool stuff. And I got invited as a content creator. And so I wanted to make this video to show off all the cool tech and stuff I saw. I played some awesome demos, played some awesome games, saw some really cool computers. I want to take you through everything I found. And if you enjoyed this video about me going through PAX, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out a ton as I'm a small creator, and I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, let's jump straight into the expo hall when I was let in an hour early for the media hour. We are officially here. It's finally time. PAX Australia. Love going every year. Big fan. And it's finally time for PAX Australia 2025, where it's currently the content creator hour. There's some sick stuff to see going on. Yo, there is some very sick stuff to see. We've got Told to the Lamb Woolhaven over there. Let's see if I can track up to it. There we go. Let's try and track. Told to the Lamb Woolhaven behind me. There it is. That's so sick. Heaps of very impressive showings from some very impressive brands. Nintendo is here. Nintendo's got their store going. In my Nintendo store, that's cool. Super Mario and Super Mario Galaxy 2. Yo! I gotta try this. I've really gotta try this. I really wanna play Kirby Air Riders. I'm playing Kirby Air Riders. I wanna play Kirby Air Riders. This looks sick. I'm gonna play Kirby Air Riders and I'll be right back. Just played Kirby Air Riders. It was incredible. Love me some Kirby Air Riders. Oh, I adore Kirby so much. But on top of that, they give you a free pin. Look at Kirby Air Riders pin if you play the demo. So I've got that. The media hour is almost over. I spent most of it waiting for Kirby. The Kirby was great. But let's quickly go have a look at some of the other stores around. Like, they've got some cool PCs over here at Aftershock. We've got two awesome PCs there. Some really cool ones around the front here. Some really cute ones. Oh. That's sick PC. That's a sick build. That's really cool. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Jujutsu Kaisen builds. Oh, we've got Mario Kart going. Good old Powerade. Poweраde's always here.
If you go off that edge, you're going to lose some time and fall behind.
Powerade is here. We've got Turtle Beach. Turtle Beach has all their headsets and everything. That's cool. We've got some awesome tech here. Hey, DaVinci Resolve, my editing software of choice. Blue Mouth Interactive, 8-bit Do. Love me an 8-bit Do controller. Hey, more theme builds. Dumb Ways to Die, Mouse PI Detective, Kill Knight. I adore Aftershock and their custom builds. The Sony booth with their in-zones. They're pretty good gear. Oh, we got the Thermaltake booth. Thermaltake's a really good brand, and an Aussie brand on top of that for computers, which you don't have many of nowadays. Oh, these are pretty. Nice cases, nice AIO. Wow, that's such a sick PC. I love that. This one here on the screen up the top. That's cool. That's so cool. All of these have the specs in them. All of them are like basically highest end 7800Xs, 3D, RTX 50 line for all of them. Whoa, that's cool. Four-sided I/O is cool. That's so cool. I like it a lot. More towers over here by Thermaltake. That, of course, as you would expect, run beautifully. Their fan range. Oh, that's so sick. Thermaltake's got a really impressive range. Giant keyboard. We've got some really pretty keyboards. Got Goovy over here. I'm going to try and make the last couple of big brands before the media hour closes, because it's getting ready for people to flow in, at which point filming will become much harder. But Senecom's got some really pretty PCs. Senecom doesn't have anything unique, but they've got their pre-built, which are very pretty. You know what? They're classic, they're reliable. Well, here's one of the big ones, MSI and Intel. Two of the big brands. Apex Legends, got some gorgeous PCs.
Let's do the
MSI Claw that has unactivated Windows on it. Of course, we've got some Intel PCs. Oh, I don't think that's meant to be it. Looking like another incredible PAX for tech this year. As we've already seen, we've seen some awesome and really pretty PCs. We've got some keyboard builds. We've got some races, some racing setups. We've got some sick stuff. The media hour is about to end. I'll probably still do some recording throughout my trip here, but I think I've covered all the big tech fish to fry, for lack of a better word. So I'm going to try and pack up my gimbal and hopefully have some fun in PAX. Yippee! So I am back in the hotel after the first day of PAX. Great fun, really enjoyed it. Bunch of interesting stuff happened today. It was a great day. Obviously did a fair bit of shopping, showed off some tech in the morning during the media hour. I also got something cool. These little things called Aetherlings. They come in a little packet, like a little pet cube thing. The whole thing is you're meant to scan them into your app. And they become like a little creature or something. But then you're meant to trade them. Yours goes from level 1 to level 2. Then there's also becomes level 2. And then if they trade it, like physically, then it goes from a level 2 to a level 3 for all people involved. And I actually really like the combination of Toys to Life, to mobile games, to just bringing people together and bringing the community together. I really like it. I just thought it was really cool because they gave out a free one to everyone who went. It was good fun though. But obviously, as you saw some incredible tech during the show. The Aftershock PCs are always incredible and beautiful. All the PCs there were sick. In truth, today I spent most of my day on a lot of the tabletop stuff. I went to go watch their Commander Showdown because I've been getting a little bit into Magic. Myself and a good mate got to meet Iffy Nardaway, who is of course the host of Dropout Show Actually, and a great comedian, as well as Gavin Verhey, who is a designer for a lot of Magic cards. We got to watch them play Commander together. Iffy got knocked out very quickly. That was an incredible game to watch. Gavin won. He was also playing some test cards. I had a few friends with me, of course. One dressed as Sukasa from Dr. Stone, the other one as Red Hood. I also did a fair bit of shopping. Some may know I'm a massive fan of the TCG Flesh and Blood, and I bought the convention exclusive Light and Shadow box, which has got some gorgeous cards in it. But a great day overall, even if it was mostly tabletop, which doesn't really help me here. We got to see some cool tech, played Kirby Air Riders, that was good fun. Saw a Hornet and a Vessel cosplayer. The Hollow Knight and Hornet cosplayer were incredible. They were very funny too. After getting a photo, they handed us a little charm from Hollow Knight itself. It's 3D printed. It was really cool. There was also one of the games there, which was all about putting rocks together. One of them was called cans. The other one was called throwing rocks at stuff. They also had a challenge where if you managed to stack, I think it was either 8 or 9 rocks in a pile, you got a free pin. And chat, it may have taken me half an hour, but I got a free pin. But I'll catch you tomorrow for PAX. After that first day, on the second day, I went to a panel, which was great. It was about ghost hunting in real life versus in-game, being Phasmophobia. Me and a few friends really enjoy Phasmophobia, so I thought it'd be really interesting, and it was. And then there's the big thing, which I want to talk about. The convention got evacuated while I was there. I was standing near the expo hall when suddenly the alarm started going off, and everyone was told that they had to evacuate and everything like that. Obviously, there's been a few memes floating around with it, of someone pooping themselves in the tabletop hole. But after I talked to some enforcers and tried to figure out what actually happened, it sounds like a smoke machine went a bit too hard, set off a smoke detector, and it just automatically sent everyone out for evacuation. That's what it sounds like the situation was. But we were let in pretty quick, so soon we were back to being at the convention. Played my favourite card game, Flesh and Blood, that night. Won the event, of course, naturally. Got to demo a few more games like Hyrule Warriors, the new one. Hades 2, which was very fun, as well as a few smaller indie games. It was good fun though. But in truth, the day 2 was quite interrupted, and the day 3 I spent a lot of it catching up with good friends, and so there wasn't really a whole lot of chance to film, so I didn't get a whole lot more filming done on that day. But that was my experience with PAX Australia. It's a great convention. I love going every year. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It would help out a ton. Don't worry, I'll make sure to be at PAX again next year. And comment down below what your favourite thing about conventions are. I personally love meeting people and new people. But I hope to see you in the next video. I'll catch you next time.